pretty ng baby ko. And then, she gave me this. What are we going to do with this? Tana pretty. Sus, bagay na bagay yung sa dress ng baby ko. Baby. Dito na. Just go pretty. Kanahak naman. I think you'll be so trendy. Ayan. Suklay. Natali ng hair. Maybe, let's see. Dang! Show them. Wow! I told you, my baby's so pretty. Pero nabaliktad ni Mami ang ipin. Wow! Okay, love you. You say hello.
Hello.
My name
Name
is Mana.
Mama.
Very good. Mama. Ay, you pose me. At the back. Wow, I told you my baby's so sexy. Wow! Ay, sa feeling na parang hindi ikaw si ate, ha? Ang sexy naman ang baby mo.
Papa.
Oh, ano ba? Show it to ate.
Mommy.
Show it to ate na.
Papa.
Hmm?
Mommy. Oh.